Millions of people around the world have osteoporosis, and millions more have low bone mass and are at risk of developing osteoporosis. Of these, 80% are women, and yet, according to the USDA Food Intake Survey, half of women do not consume the recommended daily amount of calcium. That means, is the right calcium supplement combined with a healthy lifestyle may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The key to an effective calcium supplement is not how much you take, but how much calcium your body actually absorbs. You know, we say you are what you eat, but more accurately, you are what your body absorbs and actually uses. We refer to this as bioavailability, and it's relevant because even though a label may say 1,000 milligrams, your body might only have access to a fraction of that amount. As we age, our ability to absorb calcium declines considerably. I like to think of it like this. It's like a bank account, a bone bank. The calcium in your bones is the key currency of your bone bank. Throughout your lifetime, the calcium from the foods you eat is deposited and withdrawn from your bone bank depending on your needs. When your calcium intake is too low, to keep your blood calcium normal, your body will actually make a withdrawal and actually leach the calcium it needs from your bones. Over time, if more calcium is taken out of your bones than is put in, the result may be thin, weak bones that may break more easily. New and improved Forever Calcium is a proprietary blend of minerals starting with the most bioavailable forms of calcium and magnesium, two critical minerals for bone health. Forever Calcium contains dicalcium malate, a superior form of calcium that when combined with buffered magnesium and our proprietary blend of essential minerals works to ensure maximum absorption and bioavailability. Better absorption means you have more calcium in your bloodstream and increased bioavailability. Number one complaint about Forever Calcium was the size. For many people, it was just too big. Well, we listened, and now Forever Calcium is a smaller, tapered tablet to make swallowing easier for everyone. So basically, new and improved Forever Calcium is more bioavailable and safer, offering more GI-friendly forms of calcium and magnesium. In fact, based on studies, you would need only half the amount of calcium found in Forever Calcium to achieve the same level of absorption as many competitors using other calcium forms. Some of the best and brightest people in the world are working very, very hard to ensure that Forever Living products are the most effective and contain some of the most unique, healthiest, and natural ingredients available.